This is Blind Metal Gamer, and you're watching my plain language guide on how to stream on Twitch using iOS or Android mobile devices. Hello everyone, Blind Metal Gamer here with a plain language guide on how to easily stream your favorite mobile games using iOS or Android from Twitch, or rather to Twitch from your mobile phone. You're probably wondering, Blind Metal Gamer, how are you going to do this? How am I able to do this? Well, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide using the iOS version. It should be the same for Android on how to do this. So we're going to get right into it right away. This will only work with Twitch, so please note that this, to my knowledge, will not work with YouTube. It's only a Twitch thing. So what you want to do is step one. If you have not downloaded the Twitch mobile app from the App Store or Google Play, do so. Go to either a store and download that respective app. That's TWITCH. So download the app. It's completely free. Step two, you log in or create your account. After doing that, you'll want to go to a thing called Switch to Creator Mode. So when doing that, there will be a button that says Enter Stream Info. What you want to do there is enter all the information, your title, your go live notifications, so all your followers know, hey, you're going live and this is what's going to be streamed. And then they have a new feature where you can enter your own tags. You can have up to 10 tags in your streams, so there's that feature. Then you want to categorize your feature. So like if you want to do, let's say, Mortal Kombat Mobile or Diablo Immortal or Clash of Clans or Raid Shadow Legends or whatever, you just select or choose your category. If they don't have it, then you can always use Games Plus Demos. So there's that option if your category is not available. After entering your title, notification, selecting your category, and entering all of your tags, you want to go and hit Done. This will save your information for your stream. Then, after all of that, the next step will be to hit Go Live while in Creator Mode. This will ask you, do you want to stream a mobile game, which is your first button, or do you want to stream in real life or IRL using your mobile phone's camera. To stream a mobile game, you select the first option, which is the mobile game option. Then you're going to see a purple icon, or a purple button with a white icon. You want to tap that button, and then when you do that, you'll want to turn your microphone on by tapping the microphone button displayed on the bottom center of the screen. After that step is done, you'll want to minimize your Twitch app. You can do so by sliding your finger up briefly on the iPhone, and then you go and open whatever game you want to stream. Now, before I get to this next part, I do need to note and make you all aware that this does not work with Skype. I tried it with Skype. It worked somewhat, but the audio didn't capture. So this, to my knowledge, only works with mobile games. So select open whatever game you want. Then slide your finger up again to minimize your apps. Open Twitch. Rather, go back to Twitch. Then you're going to see an option that says Start Broadcast. So select that and hit that button. Then slide your finger up from the bottom again to minimize your apps. Go to your mobile game, and it should let you stream your mobile game without any problems on Twitch. One thing I do need to recommend is if you have a headphone dongle and a 3.5mm headphone jack compatible headphones with a mic, I recommend that for the best sound quality. You can use your phone's microphone, but I recommend the headset with a mic, just for better sound and noise canceling and whatnot. So, with that being said, that has been my plain language guide to how to stream on Twitch using iOS. If anyone has, if anybody has questions about it in the comment section, just leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer your questions as best I can in the comment section below. So long, everyone, and peace.